that one. That is a piece, an off-cut piece of the glass river bowl. Now it's going to be a glass river pocket watch. Well, yes, we'll try and make it there. First we drill a hole, 35 millimeters. So that's the back half of it. Does it remind you of the river bowl? Hey? It's only a small section of it. Yes, now I'm going to use this. Fix that side up and look pretty. There it is. Beautiful. Ready for the insert.
I'll put the little ring in. There it is. Pop that there. And finish it off. The clock. There you go. There we are. there we are. This is a beautiful little bit of burl. The clock. Close it back.
So everyone, at the end of this quick little video, I have this, my little pocket watch that was made from an offcut of the river bowl, the glass river bowl. Now is a glass river glass river watch. I'll keep telling them that. Anyway, and I actually think I'm actually going to give this away to one of you because I haven't done a giveaway since my 500 giveaway, and now I'm sort of up to around 5,500 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you very much. So I'm going to start to buy, say thank you by doing a giveaway, and so one of you can win the pocket watch, and the other thing, if you're a wood turner, I'm going to give away a small mallee burl cap from one of my collection. And if anyone follows me on Instagram, they know how much of a collection I have. I'm a bit obsessed and a bit nuts. No, really? So yes, giveaway time. So we have the pocket watch and the mallee burl cap. Now I'm sorry if you're not a wood turner and you win this. If you are not a wood turner and you win this, let me know and maybe I'll turn it into something for you. But one of you will win the pocket watch and the mallee burl, and I'll draw that in 2 weeks. Anyway, that's me for the week. Just a quick little project. I've had a lot of stuff happen this week that's taken me out of the shop, but that's life. Anyway, I'll keep on moving. Stay happy. Be awesome, because remember, you are awesome. Leave a comment to win this. I'll see you all later. Bye.